Welcome! Today we'll analyze a competitive market problem for company XYZ, which operates in the wheat market. Let's solve this step by step. First, let's look at the given information. The price is fixed at $40 per container since this is a competitive market. The total cost function is given as TC equals 100 plus 4Q plus 3Q squared. Let's start with part finding the firm's marginal cost. Marginal cost is the derivative of total cost with respect to quantity. Let's differentiate each term. The derivative of 100 is 0, the derivative of 4q is 4, and the derivative of 3q squared is 6q. Therefore, the marginal cost function is 4 plus 6q. Let's visualize this on a graph. For part B, we need to show the firm's demand curve. In a competitive market, firms are price takers, meaning they can sell any quantity at the market price. Therefore, the demand curve is a horizontal line at $40. Finally, for part C, we need to find the optimal output level. The firm should produce where price equals marginal cost. Let's solve the equation. 40 equals 4 plus 6q. Subtracting 4 from both sides. 36 equals 6q. Therefore, q equals 6 containers. To verify, this is profit maximizing. Notice that before q equals 6, marginal cost is below price, so the firm should increase output. After q equals 6, marginal cost exceeds price, so the firm should decrease output. Therefore, q equals 6 containers is the profit maximizing quantity.